This 1 Degree Outside video is sponsored by Fiesta Shows. Fiesta Shows is lighting up New England with classic carnival fun all summer long, and we don't want you to miss it. Sign up for their town-specific newsletter and grab your exclusive 1 Degree Outside ticket and ride discount at fiesta.1degreeoutside.com. Find out when the fun will be rolling into your neighborhood and save, all for being a part of the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. Beach and boating update from the webcam today. Just because we are in between storm updates, you can follow us on social media. All of our handles the same, the number 1 Degree Outside on every platform. And of course, we keep you updated to our website and also to our app as well. Let's go ahead and dive into what's going on for the beach and boating tomorrow. First thing is on the big picture, you got a cold front that's driving the thunderstorms through right now. Those are going to be continuing to move off to the east, and that means by tomorrow, expect this stuff to be out of here, but the wind behind the front is going to remain. So what that means is we're going to take what has just been a warming skin of water with 59-degree water temperature at Boston Harbor and Eastern Point. We're going to sweep it off to the east because the wind's going to be coming out of the west. So actually the ocean water may cool somewhat at the beaches by a degree or two over the next 24 hours. In terms of the beach forecast, you can still warm the air pretty nicely. So you're going to come up to close to 80 degrees, even though the wind is going to make it feel cooler than that. UV index doesn't care about wind. You'll burn just as easily. So it's a very high UV index. Of course, the strongest sun angle of the year, with Friday being the summer solstice. Your longest daylight, your strongest sun angle that you're going to get. Rip currents are going to be moderate for tomorrow, up and down a lot of our coastline. Something to be aware of anyhow. And part of that's because the waves are going to be churned by the wind. This is nothing to mess around with. You go down by the Owl, you go down by the wind farm, and the winds are going to be blowing steady about 20 to 25 miles an hour. But look at the seas on the order of 4 to 6 feet. Even when you get into the sounds, about a 3 to 4 foot sea. And here's some of the wind gusts. Really impressive top gusts going about 50 miles an hour when you get east of Nantucket, when you get out by Davis Bank. And you know what? That continues far to the north as well. Very close to shore. It may only be a 1 or 2 foot wave, but it's going to be a whitecap. I mean, you got the wind blowing so fast, and certainly that's the case the farther east that you go. Look at these wind gusts. Wilkinson Basin, 38, even Thatcher Island, gust to 37 miles per hour over the course of your Friday. You get along the coast of Maine, and of course, if you got a west-southwesterly wind, and that's going to churn the seas up, you're going 7-8 feet by the time you get out to Jordan Basin. These are the most impressive winds at all. Jordan Basin's going to gust to 52 miles per hour over the course of your Friday afternoon in particular. So nothing to mess around with out there for your Friday. Just keep that in mind. If you like this stuff, you want beach and boating maps all the way through the next 4 days, and our discussion that we do on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you want to be a 1 Degree Outside enthusiast. That's one of our membership levels, membership.1degreeoutside.com. That's how things are looking for now. Of course, we'll keep you posted, and you can always find the latest on our website, 1degreeoutside.com, and atop the home screen of our app.